Hello everyone, I really hope that you're mining right now because it seems to be a pretty good time for that, especially if you're investing into something new. For example, NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible token. You get it now? Not yet? Okay, let me try being more precise. Every piece of information in the blockchain can be called a token. So in the open source type of blockchain, every token is relatively similar and can be easily exchanged. While the non-fungible token technology is completely different. Every non-fungible token is completely unique and it is impossible to replace it with some other token or secretly exchange it. This is a perfect way to secure your true rights to something, making you a rightful owner of something, and by something I mean an object from the game or one piece of art or even a real estate. You still don't get it, right? Well then Google might explain that better for you. But if you got it, then I suggest you to continue watching this video because this is going to change the way you think or the way you look at the blockchain technology. And you even might start your new investment portfolio and become super rich. The key here is really to understand how that technology works. And a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, so I'm not gonna tell you what exactly you need to do to become rich. I'm gonna just show you an options and some ideas and some information you should understand, but you need to do your own research about it before you jump into something new and unknown, such as those NFTs. So first, non-fungible token was created in 2017 in February on the basis of Ethereum smart contracts. One example of it was when a DJ became a first ever musician who tokenized his new album and sold it as a limited edition for around $12 million. Then we are all familiar with the singer Grimes, and she's also well known as a mother of X-A12, hope I'm pronouncing it correctly again, child of Elon Musk. She sold 400 NFT tokens linked to 4 paintings she drew with her brother. In just 20 minutes, she made $5.8 million. And I'm not joking, this is a true fact and you can Google them and check for yourself. There's so many examples of those non-fungible tokens, but alright, I'll give you another one. Imagine you're playing an online game where you can purchase an object or even a real estate, or you can purchase a land there to build something there afterwards. Oh, you can also buy domain names running on the blockchain technology as well with some short cool words. You don't need to have slashes or dots or even numbers mixed in your domain name. So I hope I threw some lights on that subject for you guys. Now let me tell you how you can start earning your money in that virtual and digital business. If you're an artist or you just like to draw in a digital format, or you'd like to start because when you were a kid your parents used to say that you were excellent in drawing, then here's your chance. Go to Rarible or Opensea website and get yourself familiar with the platform. And I'm not sponsoring those websites, it's just me telling you about crypto as always, and I help you understand more ideas in that technology. So don't think that they're paying me for promoting them or something like that. NFT token can create a revolutionary way of using NFT token in streaming services. For example, those kind of services can obtain the rights on a new album or new song much more cheaper and much more faster and easier rather than using their normal way of doing that. The same would go for the video streaming services. Therefore, this year, 2021, will play a big role in developing NFT token technology and platforms and bringing them closer to people. So do you really think that NFT will be a breakthrough for the art collectors? Or maybe you're already doing something in that area? Let me know, share your thoughts about it in the comments below and I would be very happy to discuss it with you. So you might be curious, can you buy a fragment of that video and become the real owner of my YouTube content? Technically you can because it is in digital format. But on the other hand, why need to do so if you can just copy the link, go to a different website and download it for free? But then you won't be a really true owner of that video. But who cares? It really depends. Even me, I just prefer to purchase something real, what I can feel in the real world. But I know I need to see this as an opportunity to something exciting in terms of business. Okay, I think it's enough for you for today about that NFT technology, because sometimes it is very confusing and you just need more time to get it. And don't forget to go and check it out. Maybe you will start something on your own or create a platform on it. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. enjoy mining crypto, and bye bye.